Alright, so today Christmas special is this car. Happy Christmas to everyone watching this video. So this is 2024, and if you're watching this video 100 years later, I am Kushal GT and I make videos on diecast cars. Alright, so let's crack this open, but before that let me give you a what do you say, walk around of this whole box. So this is a MiniGT limited edition. Yeah, okay, fine. This is a MiniGT limited edition, okay, car, one of 1999. It's a Lincoln Capri Christmas hot rod designed by Tim, and the last name I don't know how to pronounce, so let's keep it at Tim. Okay, thank you Tim for this wonderful casting. This is for 1:64 scale, and this is MiniGT number 888, right? So I got it from Cars and Dolls, and it says this is the Ford official license product, and this is the Cars and Dolls sticker. Cars and Dolls is the official reseller of MiniGT in India. So now, without wasting any time, let's open this Christmas special MiniGT edition of Lincoln Capri. I had unboxed this just now. All right, so this is the casting itself. You can see. Okay, all right. It has this. Just a second. It has a blister cover on the top of the blisters. So let's open this up. This is the Spectra Flame Paint car. It has this Christmas livery. Look at that. This says MMXXIV Rally North Pole. So that Roman number translates to 2024 Rally 2024. So it is 2024 Rally North Pole. It says Santa Claus is the driver. It also says Rudolph's Sleds North Pole, and it says Christmas right here, and this is the date 24, and it says 24 right here as well. It also says here 2024 holiday season Rally North Pole. At the back you have these beautiful presents, very tiny presents for all the kids over the world, around the world. Not over the world, yeah. You can also see the livery here. It says racing to deliver presents. I'm not sure who is the competition of Santa Claus. Who is he racing it with? And on the other side we have the Mrs. Claus co-driver and the similar livery on the side as well. So you can see the brilliant paint job that has been done on this car. The front headlights are acrylic. This is a nice loop to hang it on the Christmas tree. The paint job reminds me of those Christmas decorations used across the globe on those trees, and the shiny balls, with the similar paint effect, right? You have these white wall tires. I think there's a scratch on the wheels. Is it just me, or MiniGT has some QC issues, quality issues lately? And you have the base. Wow, a nice base here. It says Lincoln Capri used under license, and this is the chameleon paint, metal base, metal body. All right, this looks beautiful. Let's do a quick roll. Let's see how it rolls. Nope. These castings are designed in such a way and are so heavy that it is very difficult to roll these cars freely, right? They will move, however, but it is not. They will not roll as smoothly or as quickly like a Hot Wheels or any other diecast car. So this was the first one, so let's keep it aside. Let's come to the next one. Wow, I like this one more than that. I don't know why. How? This comes in this beautiful blue color, blue finish. I think both of these have this chrome blue finish, and that has the chrome chameleon finish. Also, I think the reason why they have gone with the chameleon paint here, as it is from North Pole, you can see northern lights in the like North Pole region and all, and these are the colors that you see in the northern lights as well, the similar colors. So that is a very good touch if they have done that deliberately. If not, then it's a coincidence, right? And these castings are fairly heavy. Okay, so on this one we have the blue, beautiful blue paint job. We have the same tires, white wall tires, and this light blue, what do you call, cap on the wheels. Even this has the same livery on it. 2024 Rally North Pole. Santa Claus is the driver, and the co-driver is Mrs. Claus. And this beautiful 24 font. This looks so beautiful. I am actually okay. This has a different base. This has a normal base, chromed out base, but the chassis detailings on both of these cars is done very nicely. You can see the exhaust pipe here. Let's do a quick roll test of this car. Oh yeah, this wobbles, but it rolls nicely. Beautiful cars, beautiful cars. And this is the first time I am unboxing any MiniGT on this channel. I have posted MiniGT cars previously, but I couldn't unbox them. I had to travel due to some work. So I'm back here now. And also, this is new, okay? Yeah, it's not because it's chilly and I'm in Alaska and wearing these gloves, but just, these are premium cars, and I wanted to try something new actually. Okay, so these are the two beautiful cars. Let me change the camera angle a little bit and I'll give you some good shots. Okay, I think this will do the job. Okay, first up is this one. So even this has the same livery as I told you before. Yeah, beautiful car. Even the rear detailings on the tail lamps, they have done a pretty awesome job. So fun fact, this whole Christmas limited edition, it was a contest hosted by MiniGT, and Tim has won it, and these are Tim's design that have come to reality. And I must say, this Christmas couldn't get any better, right? So thank you, Tim, if you're watching this. I'm really happy that you came up with such brilliant ideas and you have done such a great job. Alright, so this was it from this MiniGT special unboxing. To me, these are pretty awesome cars, and Lincoln Capri is a very beautiful casting and I love it. So that's it from today's video. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting, happy life, happy Christmas, and stay tuned for more MiniGT cars.